No, listen. Leave it. Daddy said that we should not open it. I can't. Don't open it. I'll tell. Just come back here. It's the next bed. Hello. Hello, Jacob. Don't, James. Is everything? Hello? Me? Hello? Hello? I told you that she won't talk to you again if I say that. Are you not sad? That was just a bit. She talked to you, just not to you. Let's go. Try to follow them. Yeah? You have to leave. Give her like 10 minutes. It was 2 hours. What? Wow, cool. I don't know what to do. Cool. Was?
Verwirrt dich deine Lohnsteuerbescheinigung genauso sehr wie mich und du verstehst ehrlich gesagt nur Bahnhof? Ja, das Problem kenne ich. Beim Thema Steuern ist bei mir echt der Zug abgefahren. Ich hatte gar keinen Plan, was ich machen sollte, bis ich Taxfix fand. Mit Taxfix machst du deine Steuer ganz ohne Steuersprache. In der Taxfix-App findest du einfach und schnell deine persönliche Steuerberaterin. Jetzt musst du nur noch deine Dokumente hochladen und deine Steuer wird für dich erledigt. Ganz ohne Stress. Lade dir jetzt Taxfix herunter und hake deine Steuer ab.
Why did you cry as if you're a baby? Right. Oh my god. Give me that if you want to say something, write it and I will write it if you don't want to write it. Is there a place of Pusaka? Very clear. Just so that they said that if you can stop waste surface. Now, test. That's the bread that several surface in the kitchen. I just cook at Bachelor. Look at sleep. It's actually. And cook this as my video, yeah? This is of English. big a human being is. Can you go to talk? And look, I didn't even make it wrong. I didn't even make it wrong, but the beast couldn't catch it. I didn't even make it wrong. Look, I didn't even make it wrong, but the beast catch it. The beast catch it. The beast did catch me, but I didn't make. Where in the world did you just come from? There's nothing we're on. Kato just gave me that gift. Let me see, please, Mama. Let me see. Don't open the tables every time. It's charging.
Your master, free to play.
Bro!
Is that what I think it is? It's a baby Hooky Wookie. Whoa, I can't believe this. I'm a father now? Oh, that's so sweet.
Oh, that's so
I love you
sweet.
too, little Huggy.
That's so cute.
That's
I
stupid.
put my pen.
His voice is not like that.
Thanks, Cat-Nap. Who knew fatherhood could be this dangerous? Pocket, did you see baby Cat-Nap around here? Oh, jeez. He was just here a minute ago. I think he went that way. Down that dark, creepy corridor. Oh, great. Now then, where were we? Oh, yeah. I was just about to go find you a chew toy.
For real? I did a two toy. That's stupid. Why everybody else gotta know about this stupid baby? Oh, baby kissy. What is baby? Like baby. Don't make no sense. Be baby. That's what I meant when baby, bad baby. For example, baby, that baby everybody belongs there. We create baby from baby belongs there. The baby smart. he died.
Gotcha. Do you have any idea how worried I was about you?
Very
You could have
victim.
thought your